Guys, welcome back to Success Pen channel. Today I am going to discuss about global variable in Python concept. So before going to discuss about global variable, first we need to learn about definition of the global variable. So I will explain about with the detailed explanation and with the particular example, with a suitable example also. So what's the global variable mean? So it is a declared outside of the function. That means even entire program also is declared outside of the function. How it is declared outside of the function and how it is declared entire program, I will show it. I will explain with the example. So this is the example of global variable. Initially I initialized a equal to 20. I define in def display print inside user defined function display and print outside of the user defined function. This is the global variable, this is the user defined function, this is the function call. Just my reference, I wrote it main function. Okay, now let me start. Here variables which are initialized above the user defined function are treated as a global variable. So which are declared above the user defined function, that means a equal to 20, that is the global variable. So a equal to 20, this treated as a global variable. So after the user defined function call should be written display display print outside of the user defined function. So now a is a written just above the other user defined function. So a is a global variable. So this a value can be written used in entire program. That means this a value can be used in both this user defined function and this main function also. Okay. So this is the global variable function. How it works means like this, it will declare outside of the function. So this a value can be used in entire program. That means you can use in user defined function also, even main function also. So this is the global variable definition and example. So let us stop here. If you really understood my session, like my session and subscribe my channel. Thank you.